My name is Leslie Williams. I'm getting ready to head out to begin my day. If any problems occur concerning me, about me, towards me, around me, or against me along my routes by anybody, that includes my walking routes with the shopping cart, in reference to the San Diego Police, the California Highway Patrol, or the Sheriff's Department pulling me over and giving me a ticket or arresting me for using one, I'm going to be using a shopping cart for 2 separate 6-minute walking segments to head towards Hazard Center, where there's actually a shopping cart corral there. It will be the direct concerted effort of this organized stalking expedition. I will then be waiting at the Hazard Center trolley station to take the Green Line to SDSU. If any problems happen at that trolley station or on the Green Line trolley to SDSU, it will be the direct concerted effort of this organized stalking expedition. If anything happens at SDSU today, okay, it doesn't matter where I'm at. The library, bathrooms, cigarette breaks, the SDSU store, the media center, the study room that I'm going to be going into. Understand this and be very clear, fellow San Diegans and fellow Americans. I'm a target of organized stalking, okay? And it's already all over the internet that the tactics of organized stalking are perpetrated towards me along my routes, including at businesses and at SDSU, and definitely including on the trolleys. So if anything, and now they're harassing me along my routes when I use a shopping cart in 2 separate 6-minute walking segments, okay? And I always return the shopping carts at places that are designated for shopping carts to be returned, but it's just their way of trying to fearmonger that something's going to happen to me, like I'm going to get ticketed or arrested, because the whole goal is to harass me, okay, along all of my routes, using physical gestures that they have target sensitized to. It's called organized stalking sensitization, through direct conversation tactics, which in turn, as a result of experiencing these 2 types of sensitization tactics along a target's route, they feel stalked and harassed as a result. It's over physical gestures and direct conversation tactics that can be Googled and YouTube and cross-referenced to organized stalking or gang stalking. If anything happens concerning me, about me, towards me, around me, or against me along any of my routes today, including my routes in reverse to come back to this location, it will be the direct, literal, concerted effort of this organized stalking expedition that's going on in San Diego, California, and the San Diego Police are directly involved in this. And also, you can go to Google and type in organized stalking and California Highway Patrol, and look at how many Google-generated responses you'll get. So what they'll do is use their multi-jurisdictional connections to connect with possibly another law enforcement branch, like the Sheriff's Department, or even the State Police. My name is Leslie Williams, and this is what is happening towards me along all of my routes, everywhere I go. And a lot of this harassment that is being perpetrated towards me is achieved through what is known as the community notification. Cross-reference that to organized stalking and gang stalking, and look at how many Google-generated responses you'll get, and read the blogs that other targets are talking about in reference to how they're experiencing harassment in the business community and in institutions like libraries and universities as a result of community notifications being sent out through lies and slander as a result of this law enforcement tool being illegally used. So organized stalking expeditions can be achieved and utilized. San Diego, California, June 6, 2012.